Welcome to Cooking with Amma.
So Amma, what are we going to cook today?
Masala Idli.
So audience ready?
Yes.
Are we to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
For masala idli, we have taken about 1 cup of rava or suji in a bowl. Next up, we will be adding salt to taste and 1 cup of curd or dahi, and you can mix it well to form a thick consistency batter. Next, we will be adding 1 whole sachet of ENO for instant fermentation and mix it well. We will also be adding about 1 cup of water to give it a smooth consistency. For tadka, we will be taking 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 6 to 7 cashew nuts, 1 whole strand of curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. We will take about 2 tablespoons of oil, and once it is heated, we will add all the tadka ingredients and we will let the curry leaves splutter, after which we will pour the tadka in the batter. You need to mix it well, and now we will keep it aside for another 10 to 15 minutes. After this, we will steam the idlis, for which we have greased some oil in the molds, and we will quickly add the batter and we will let it steam for about 15 to 17 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be preparing the masala, for which I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and I will let it heat. Next, we will be adding 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped and saute it well. Next, I have added some salt to taste. Make sure you don't add much as there is enough salt in the idlis. After which, I have also added half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and now you need to saute it well. Next, we have added about 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, and also 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, and saute it well. After sauteing it well for 2 to 3 minutes, we will be adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped, and again saute it really well for another 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I have added a small piece of butter. It measures about an inch. Along with this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and we will saute it well. Next up, we have added little bit of water to give it that consistency through which it can hold and cover and coat the idlis. And after sauteing it for another minute, we will add the idlis into the pan. Now mix it really well and be a little gentle. Make sure that the masala coats every single piece of idli. It is a really great way of utilizing the leftover idlis, and your masala idli is absolutely ready to be served hot. Enjoy this delicious yet easy to make breakfast recipe, snack recipe with your family.
So guys, if you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then do
Like,
share
comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Amma. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Goodbye. Happy eating.